Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is mindset, and you'll know if you've been on one of our courses that we're obsessed with your mindset because, okay, you've got this product, service or solution. It could be the best, it could be the worst, it could be the overpriced, it could be underpriced, but your mindset determines exactly your success, not the product. Your mindset. So we're big on mindset. In fact, my company's called Success Mindset Academy because I think it's 99.9% mindset and there ain't a bit actually about what you're selling. So what can we say about mindset today? Well, your top tip today is everybody's doing the best they can with the resources they have available. It's an NLP sentence. It means if someone in your office says something rude to you, or marketing, or accounts, or your customer, or your partner, just think to yourself, they are doing the best they can with the resources they have available. If they could have said it differently, behaved differently, done something differently, they would have done. But here's the clincher. You are in charge of how you react. You can decide to take a breath and go, oh, that's a shame that they had to say that. They're obviously having a bit of a bad day, and that's the only way they know how to cope. You're in charge of saying that, or you're in charge of being a victim, and you spend the rest of the day you're going to limp around, licking your paws and being a victim. It's up to you. You're in charge of your decision of how you decide to take that bit of information. So if there's one sentence to take with you today, it's this. Everybody's doing the best they can with the resources they have available. And I hope that sentence does for you what it did for me. It completely recalibrates my thinking on other people. And remember, you're in charge of how you react. If you found that useful and think a colleague would, then do share. If you want other tips on how to be in charge of your mindset, which determines your success and ultimately the bottom line, then subscribe below. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.